Hey there, Stampers. This is Sherry Roth. I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Alberta, Canada, and I'm excited today to share with you a brand new collection that is just released today, November 2nd, 2021. It's called the Eden's Garden Collection, and it includes a bundle. So there's a stamp set, which has some great greetings in it, and then this beautiful die set. There is some garden gems, some beautiful specialty DSP. So the colors in this DSP are soft succulent, evening evergreen, white, and gold. And look how pretty that is. So pretty. Backside is kind of a more generic pattern. So one side has the foil, the gold foil on it. It's such a stunning paper. So this collection is available to order as a collection for, look at this one, ombre, love that one, for $112.50. It will include all of the items that I show you here in this video. But Laura and I have planned this month's class in the mail around this collection as well. And then the last piece in the collection is some cotton paper. It comes in evening evergreen and soft succulent. And cotton paper is, I compare it to tissue paper. It's like tissue paper. Okay. So the class to go this month is the Eden's Garden class to go. And it will include half a package of the specialty DSP, half a package of the cotton paper, a package of the garden gems, and 2 yards of our gold 1/4 inch shimmer ribbon from the annual catalog, as well as the card kits to create 6 cards, 6 different cards. So you'll have 6 different card ideas using this collection. Here's a little peek at 3 of them. So those are 3 of the 6 cards that you'll be making. And we will email you the PDF, which includes the PDF tutorial, which will include photos, measurements, a full supply list, and links to videos showing you how to assemble the cards. The cost of this kit is $45. I can ship it anywhere in Canada for just an extra $5. And the deadline to register is November 12th. Now, if you want to add on this bundle, if you choose to purchase the I Want It All collection using the class host code, which I will post in the description of this video, or $112.50 worth of product. It doesn't necessarily have to be this collection, but the collection is valued at $112.50. If you order that entire collection or $112.50 before shipping and tax, I will send you the pre-cut card kits, email you the PDF, and you'll also get 2 yards of the gold ribbon, and that will be absolutely free. Okay, the only additional supplies that you'll need, so you will need this bundle or something similar, I guess, if you have something similar. You will also need a die cutting machine, soft succulent evening evergreen ink pads, some blocks, some adhesive, and dark evening evergreen Stampin' Blends. Okay, so that's all that you need. Just a reminder that the deadline to register for this is November 12th, and I will post a link to all of the information in the description below. And if you are not in Canada and would like to participate, there will also be a link to where you can purchase just the tutorial if that's something that interests you. All right, thanks so much for watching. Have a fabulous day.